Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Unlock English and Speak. I am Leo.
And I am Charlotte. We are so happy to be here with you today.
Today, we have a very special episode. It is a fundamental topic.
Yes, today we will learn how to point at things in English. We will learn 4 very important words.
These words are this, that, these, and those.
Many students get confused with these words, but do not worry. We have a trick to make it easy.
Exactly. The secret is to ask 2 questions. Question 1, is it one thing or many things?
And question 2, is it near or far?
Near means close to you. You can touch it. Far means away from you. You cannot touch it.
Let's start with the first word. Our first keyword is this.
This. T-H-I-S.
We use this for one object that is near you, singular and near.
Imagine you are holding a cup of coffee. You say, this coffee.
Or if you are holding your phone, you say, this is my phone.
Let's look at examples. Example 1. I like this song.
Example 2, this book is interesting.
Example 3. Is this your bag?
Now, listener, please repeat after me. This.
One more time. This.
Perfect. Remember, one thing and it is close to you.
Now, let's look at the opposite. What if the object is far away?
That brings us to our second keyword. The word is that.
That. T-H-A-T.
We use that for one object that is far from you, singular and far.
Imagine you see a bird in the sky. You cannot touch it. You say, look at that bird.
Or if you see a beautiful house down the street, you say, that house is big.
Let's give some examples. Example 1. That is a nice car.
Example 2, do you know that man?
Example 3. I want that piece of cake.
Now it is your turn. Listen and repeat. That.
One more time. That.
Excellent. So, Leo, let's review quickly. If I have a pen in my hand,
You say, this pen.
and if the pen is on the table across the room,
You say, that pen.
see, it is very simple.
Now, let's make it a little more complex. What happens if we have many things, plural?
If we have many things and they are near us, we use our third keyword, these.
These. T-H-E-S-E.
Please be careful with the pronunciation here. It is a long sound. E. These.
Yes, it is different from this. This is short. These is long, like a smile. These.
We use these for plural objects that are near.
Imagine you are wearing new shoes. You point to your feet. You say, these shoes are comfortable.
Or you are holding a bunch of flowers, you say, these flowers are for you.
Let's look at examples. Example 1. These are my friends.
Example 2, I love these cookies.
Example 3. Can you wash these plates?
Now practice the pronunciation. Smile and make it long. Repeat after me. These.
One more time. These.
Very good. You sound very natural.
We have one word left. What if we have many things, but they are far away?
Then we use our fourth key word, those.
Those. Those.
We use those for plural objects that are far.
Imagine you're looking at the stars in the sky. You say, look at those stars.
Or you see children playing in the park. You say, those children are happy.
Let's give examples. Example 1. Those buildings are tall.
Example 2, who are those people?
Example 3. I want to buy those apples.
Now, listener, repeat after me. Those.
Again, those.
Great job. So, we have the 4 words.
Let's do a quick quiz to practice. I will describe a situation and you tell me the word.
Okay, I am ready.
Situation 1. You are holding one apple in your hand.
1 apple, near. The word is this. This apple.
Correct. Situation 2. You see 3 dogs across the street.
3 dogs, plural. Far. The word is those. Those dogs.
Perfect. Situation 3. You point to the chair you're sitting on right now.
1 chair, near. The word is this. This chair.
And finally, you see many books on a shelf on the other side of the room.
Many books, plural. Far. Those. Those books.
Wait, I tricked you. What if the books are in your hands?
Oh, many books, near. Then it is these. These books.
Exactly. You got it.
There is one more thing I want to mention, Leo. It is good news for Spanish speakers.
What is it?
In Spanish, you change the word if it is feminine or masculine. You say este or esta.
That is true. It's complicated. But in English, we do not have gender for these words.
You are right. This is for a boy or a girl. That is for a table or a car. It doesn't matter.
So this car, this girl, this boy, it is always this.
That makes English much easier. You just need to think about distance and number.
Leo, can we talk about one common mistake?
Yes, please. Sometimes students forget to use the verb are with plural words.
Oh yes, with this and that, we use is. This is. That is.
But with these and those, we must use are. These are, those are.
For example, these are my keys, not these is my keys.
Correct. And those are my shoes, not those is my shoes.
That is a very important tip.
We have learned a lot today. Let's summarize.
To point at things, we look at distance and number.
Near and singular, this.
Far and singular, that.
Near and plural, these.
Far and plural, those.
And remember the pronunciation difference. This is short. These is long.
Before we finish, we have a motivational phrase for this episode.
We chose this phrase because it uses the grammar we learned today.
The phrase is, focus on this moment, not on that worry.
Focus on this moment, not on that worry.
It means you should be present. This moment is near you. It is now.
And that worry is far away. It is in the future or the past. Do not stress about it.
Focus on learning English right now, in this moment.
You are doing a great job. Learning a language takes time.
But you are here. You are listening. You are practicing.
We are very proud of you.
Thank you for listening to Unlock English and Speak.
Use these words today, point at things in your house, and practice. This, that, these, those.
Have a wonderful week.
See you next time. Bye.
Goodbye.